the Statue of Unity is only a daytime marvel, think again. As the sun sets behind the Satpura ranges, the sky turns amber and indigo. The air cools, the crowds soften, and Ekta Nagar begins its most breathtaking transformation. Lights awaken, the Narmada shimmers, and the towering silhouette of the statue begins to glow. Bold, radiant, unforgettable. By day, it inspires awe. By night, it becomes pure theatre. As darkness deepens, attention shifts to the majestic Sardar Sarovar Dam. Stretching 1210 meters, its massive structure comes alive under dramatic illumination. Multicolored lights cascade across its face, reflecting beautifully on the river below. Nearby, the Statue of Unity stands bathed in a regal golden hue, rising proudly between the Vindhya and Satpura ranges. Together, the statue and the dam create a nightscape where engineering brilliance meets artistic light. A short walk away, the evening turns vibrant at the Unity Glow Garden. Neon arches, radiant floral sculptures, glowing installations that transform the space into a luminous wonderland. Families stroll, children marvel, creators capture every burst of color. Here, night doesn't fall, it bursts into life. Then comes the highlight, the projection mapping show. For 23 mesmerizing minutes, the world's tallest statue becomes a storytelling canvas. High-resolution visuals narrate the life and vision of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. History unfolds in light, unity pulses with sound, and the legacy of the Iron Man shines brighter than ever. It's not just a show, it's an immersive celebration of India's strength. For serenity, head to the Narmada Ghat for the Maha Aarti. Glowing lamps rise in harmony. Rhythmic chants fill the air, and devotion flows gently along the sacred river. Flames flicker, reflections shimmer, and for a moment, grandeur turns into pure devotion. And your evening aboard the Ekta Cruise, a 12-kilometer journey under the stars. Live music sets the mood. A lavish vegetarian buffet awaits. And as you glide along the Narmada, the illuminated statue reflects across the water. Golden, majestic, unforgettable. Ekta Nagar after dark isn't just sightseeing. It's emotion. It's spectacle. It's unity, shining brighter than ever. And come, experience the magic. See you in the lights.